Right now, 1 second is passing for you, but somewhere in deep space, that same second is taking minutes, and in one place it has almost stopped. This is not science fiction. This is happening right now, and when you truly understand it, your idea of time will never be the same. On Earth, time feels absolute. Your watch ticks, your phone updates, your body ages at a steady pace. 1 second, then another. Always forward, always predictable. We grow up believing time is universal, but space has its own rules, and they are stranger than anything we can feel on this planet. Imagine stepping into a spacecraft and drifting away from Earth. At first, nothing seems different. The stars look the same. Your heartbeat stays steady, but something invisible begins to shift. Time itself starts to react to your position and speed, and it bends in ways your brain can barely comprehend. Over a century ago, Albert Einstein discovered that time is not separate from space. Space, motion, and gravity are connected in a structure called spacetime. And when spacetime bends, time bends with it. The faster you move, the slower time passes for you. The stronger the gravity, the slower your seconds flow. Not in theory, not in imagination, in reality. Astronauts aboard the International Space Station already experience this subtly. Their clocks tick slightly differently than ours. They age a tiny bit slower. The difference is small but measurable. And as you move farther from Earth, traveling faster and through regions with less gravity, time becomes stranger still. Right now, if a spacecraft were moving at cosmic speed past the Moon, past Mars, past the outer planets, your seconds would no longer align with theirs. From Earth, it would look like the travelers are drifting into a different timeline, and every second they experience could stretch or compress relative to your own. But wait, if time can slow down, that means someone out there could already be living in your future, and you wouldn't know. Their now would be your later. And this is happening constantly, silently, across the universe. Gravity makes it even more extreme. Near massive objects, spacetime curves, time slows. Near a neutron star, you would notice it. Near a black hole, the effect becomes surreal. If you could safely approach one, your watch would tick normally for you. But to anyone watching from afar, your movements would stretch. Seconds would become minutes. Minutes would become hours. From the outside, you would appear frozen, not because you stopped, because time itself stopped behaving normally around you. If you stayed near that gravity long enough and returned to Earth, you would be younger than everyone you left behind. Not metaphorically, physically. By traveling through space, you would have moved into the future. Every journey through the cosmos carries its own timeline. And speed also shapes time. The faster you go, the slower it moves for you. At everyday speeds, you don't notice, but at cosmic speeds, it becomes powerful. A spacecraft traveling near the speed of light would experience time almost frozen, while decades could pass for the universe outside. Two observers, leaving together, could return years apart in age. Two regions of space could exist billions of years apart while appearing side by side in the sky. Now imagine traveling beyond the familiar boundaries of stars and galaxies, into the vast emptiness between cosmic structures. Gravity is weak. Matter is rare, radiation thin, time behaves subtly but differently, motion becomes relative. There is no universal now. Each observer carries their own clock, each region of space its own pace. Every distant star you see is a glimpse into the past, a record of history. When you look at a star 1,000 light years away, you are seeing it as it was 1,000 years ago. When you observe a galaxy 10 million light years away, you are witnessing ancient history. Space is not synchronized. Time is layered. The universe is not happening all at once. It is happening in fragments across countless local clocks. And the universe itself is expanding. Space stretches. Distant galaxies drift away from each other, not because they fly, but because spacetime itself grows between them. As the fabric of space expands, time stretches too. Far regions drift into separate temporal frames. The universe quietly fractures into millions of timelines, each flowing at its own pace. But there's more. Even in the emptiest regions, where gravity is weak and stars are sparse, motion and time interact in strange ways. Without nearby reference points, there is no universal now. Every observer experiences the universe differently. A second for one could be minutes for another, even without massive gravity or high speed. And that subtle difference adds up over light years, creating timelines layered like a cosmic accordion. Now let's make it personal. If humans ever travel deep into space, astronauts could return decades younger than their families. Imagine leaving as a parent and returning to find your children older than you, even grandchildren grown, while for you, only a few years passed. Not by accident, not by magic, by physics. Every journey into the stars could separate lives, generations, and memories. Two travelers leaving Earth together could return on different schedules, each seeing the universe differently. Two observers watching the same event could disagree on when it occurred. The universe is not a single timeline. It is billions of threads, each moving at its own pace. And here's the kicker: even now, as you sit and watch this video, time is not uniform. Somewhere it flows slower, somewhere else faster, somewhere else nearly stopped. The universe is alive with its own clockwork, and it ignores human expectations. Right now, near a massive black hole, 1 second could stretch into an hour. Nearby, a neutron star slows your minutes into seconds. Somewhere in the emptiness between galaxies, millions of years could pass for a single heartbeat. And yet no one notices in real time. No one feels it until they travel there. And here's the mind-blowing part: even light is affected. The farther it travels, the more it bends across space and time. When you look at a distant galaxy, you are looking not just across distance, but across time itself. The light arriving now left billions of years ago. The universe you see is already history. So if you think about it, everything happening right now on Earth is happening simultaneously with billions of different nows across the universe. Somewhere, civilizations could be living through moments we will never experience. Someone could be seeing your future unfold as you watch this, and you would never know. And the edges of the universe make it even stranger. At the cosmic horizon, the observable universe stretches over 13 billion light-years. Light from those regions is ancient. The universe there is not just far away, it is long ago. Every direction you look becomes a window into a different era, a different moment in cosmic history. Time and space is layered, fragmented, relative, and personal. It is flexible, it is local, it is not linear. Space does not let seconds behave the way our brains evolved to understand. It twists, stretches, slows, and separates them. And when humans finally explore the deep cosmos, we will not only travel through space, we will travel through time itself. And here's the final thought: every moment you experience on Earth is shared by millions of other nows across the universe. Time is not a river, it is a landscape, and deep space is where its curves become visible. When you look at the stars tonight, remember, you are not just seeing distance. You are seeing countless timelines unfolding silently, millions of clocks ticking to their own rhythm. Somewhere far beyond our solar system, far beyond galaxies, far beyond anything humans can directly feel, time continues behaving in ways no one will ever fully experience. And yet, thanks to physics, we can understand it, we can measure it, and we can imagine it, because time in deep space is not just passing. It is bending, stretching, and transforming reality itself.